I'm doing some construction on my house, and these are the pieces of wood that were holding up the sawhorses. I want to show you what I found when I removed the sawhorses and picked up that wood. Those right there are termites, folks. You see those? Now, there were more when I removed the wood a minute ago. So what we're going to use, and this is what works, I'm going to use Termidor SC. The proper application would be to dig down 6 inches and then just pour the Termidor in. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to pour it, or sister is, around this dirt here. These termites will then go through the Termidor, they can't detect it, and take it back to their nest, and it will kill them all. It's effective because termites are social insects. Okay, I have some pre-mixed Termidor. Sister's pouring it around the soil there. She's going to pour it on both sides, not hitting the termites, just around the soil. So now the termites will go through that Termidor and take it back to the nest, and it will kill them all. It's very effective at killing termites. We're going to put that piece of wood back there so they'll come back. You can use the Termidor to prevent termite infestations and to treat termite infestations. The termites are moving through the Termidor. Termites like wood, and that's why it's a good idea not to leave wood laying around your ground. It's been about 5 days since I've treated this area with the Termidor. So let's see what happened with the termites. And there aren't any termites. I see one little guy there that's not alive. When you're using Termidor, you want to wear gloves, preferably nitrile chemical resistant gloves, and safety glasses if there's any backsplash when you're using it. Termidor also kills other insects, black widows, ants, earwigs. Look at this. That's an earwig that the Termidor took care of. You can see the mud tunnels that the termites left. If you see these mud tunnels around your home, that's a concern that you may have termites. This is Termidor SC. This is a 20-ounce bottle, and this is a 78-ounce bottle. It has a measuring area for the chemical right here. That's how you measure out how much of this Termidor you use. You want to make sure you shake the bottle before you use it. Then you turn the bottle like this. Turn it upright again, and it'll measure out 0.80 ounces of Termidor. And that's how I treat and prevent termite infestations. Hope it helps, and happy DIYing.